guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss CG Violet. Come and enjoy the beauty of Galilee Wonderland. These pictures was taken during our company outing last April 2019. I just want to share it with you guys because during my stay, I love the place so much and I enjoyed here even just for a day. This video is not sponsored, but I personally recommend this resort for you and your family, especially during your family outing or family gathering, because I'm sure that you and your kids will enjoy the place. It has a beautiful pool with different background. If you love selfies, then you can take a different selfies where they have a very beautiful place in it. And it has also a playground for your kids near the pool that you can supervise your children, and it has a hotel for you to stay overnight. We traveled very early in the morning at 4 o'clock and we arrived to the venue at almost 9 o'clock in the morning, guys, from Cavite to Bulacan. As we arrive at the venue, then you can see, as you can see at the back, there are some performers who perform for their visitors. They welcomed us a warm welcome. Yes, it's very entertaining. They have a mascot and you can see them as you enter the gates of this hotel and resort. And now it's time for me to take a bath. No, it's for swimming. But before that, I would like to tell you something about my swimsuit. As you can see, I choose the color royal blue, isn't it? But let me tell you something about it. I did not buy my swimsuit. I just made my own swimsuit for this summer. So this is my old leggings and I make it on my own, or yeah, it is a DIY swimsuit from an old leggings. As you can see, it is a very cool, and you can say that it was a leggings before. And yeah, I love it very much and I enjoyed wearing it until I finish swimming, yes, with my friends and someone special. Yeah, that's it. Ang swimming pool na ito po ay meron po siyang mga waves. Ayan. At mag-i-enjoy po talaga kayo. At dahil sa pag-i-enjoy sa mga waves, at ito ang hindi inaasahan na pangyayari sa akin swimsuit. Natanggal yung pagkakabuhol. Buti na lang may taong to the rescue. Kalong. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like the view and my pictures, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next video. Bye.